Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making slime with
Rhiannon. We'll leave my description.
YouTube
my channel
in the description. Now I've got my spatula and my clear bowl. And she's got that. Airwick. Now any Airwick works, but we've got lavender, and PVA glue, and shaving Gillette. So first of all, I will put in the glue. So just as much as you want, basically.
Don't need a lot.
No, you don't need a lot. Then the shaving gel. You don't need a lot of that either. Like that much and stuff.
I've already started mixing
you
mine.
just mix it. So yeah, see when we've mixed.
So that's done, and we're gonna start adding our Airwick.
Oops. So you need quite a lot of Airwick to make it unsticky. So we'll see when we mix that in and add more. You just basically need to and it'll start forming.
Like this.
So that's very good. So,
sorry.
See you in a second. So we
added some more, and it's
this slime is we're gonna be making it in 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Boop, boop.
We're gonna try it anyway.
Well, yeah. So keep adding Airwick, like lots and lots and lots. So yeah, see you in a second. Oh, we still squirting Airwick. Like as I told you, you need lots.
I don't need any more.
Lather it.
I'm done.
I made quite a big batch, so obviously it'll start to form together on the first squirt of Airwick.
And if it doesn't do that, then obviously it's not going to be right because
You've got like a wrong glue or something.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Yeah.
And she picked up paint by accident.
She picked up paint instead of. Oh my god, we're almost done. Right.
Oh my god,
I see when I've got my slime ready.
We're just
So we've made it. I've swapped bowls because that one was
too hard.
Annoying me because it kept falling on me. We've made slime, so it does work.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
see.